This video is how to find solutions for a quadratic. Remember, solutions are the x-intercepts, roots. So we're looking for the solutions. Again, that means the same thing as x-intercepts, roots, zeros. First thing we need to do is you need to make sure you have it in standard form. This is standard form right here. So make sure you have it in the ax squared plus bx plus c form. The first video I'm going to show you is when a equals 1. So otherwise there's no number in front of x squared except for 1. Alright, and we usually do the factor sum method. This is what we do in class, the factor sum method, where we try to find the factors of c and the sum of b. So we want the factors of c and the sum of b. So here we go. I've got to, in my problem here, I have -7 is my is the what I want the factors for. So I want the factors of -7, but when I add them, I want to get a positive 6. So let's try 7 and -1. 7 times -1 is -7, but when I add 7 times a -1, I get 6, which is exactly what we want. So this is what it looks like. You put parentheses in both of them because we're finding the factors. Remember, there's two things multiplied together to give you the product. We put an x in each one because it's x squared. This here is telling us what to put in the box. So we're going to put plus 7 and a -1. These are our factors. Alright, so if we're looking for factors, this is the factors right here. Now, when we set it equal to 0, we're going to find the x-intercepts. In this, we're asked to find the roots. Again, that's the x-intercepts. So we're going to set each of these equal to 0. Remember, I keep telling you that the factors and roots are opposite each other. So I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. When I do, I get x equals a -7. See how the -7 in purple is in the green is positive 7? See how they're opposite? And so you should look at the other one and say, okay, so the other one's going to be 1. And it is. So when you add 1 to both sides, this becomes a 0 pair, and so you got x equals 1. It's supposed to be positive 1. So positive 1. So what this means is that my parabola at -7 and positive 1, they're going to touch the x-axis right there. I know it opens upward because my a is a positive number, and I know that it touches the y-axis at -7, so this is supposed to be touching at -7 right there. That's supposed to be my y-intercept at -7. If I drew it right.